I, headmaster of St. John of the Cross High School, Mr. Sunil Thomas. Okay, I'm very happy to announce that we have today organized a Ghumad Aarti competition as part of our 60th year of the establishment of the school. And as the festival season of Ganesh Chaturthi is nearing, in a day or two we would be having it. We decided to have the Ghumad Aarti competition, and the number of schools that decided to participate, and also the fervor at which we have been able to organize and the cooperation we have got. We are very much thankful, and we are happy to have this Ghumad Aarti competition in our school and our campus.
नमस्कार, हांव सर मुकुंद गाड, आयच्या घुमट आरती सर्तीचो सूत्रसंचालक। एक खिरीत संतोष भोगता। पयलेच फावट आमी ही घुमट आरती सर्त जी आसा ती आंतरशालेय पावल्यार आयोजीत केल्या। आमच्या शाळेक ह्या वर्सा 60 वर्सां पुराय जातात। तर हिरक महोत्सव ह्या निमतान आमी ही आयची जी आंतरशालेय घुमट आरती सर्त जी आशिल्ली ती घडोवन हाडली। ही सर्त घडोवन हाडपाक आमकां जाय त्या जाणांचो तेको आनी मदत मेळ्ळी। ताका लागून हांव सगळ्यांचे उपकार आठयता। देव बरें करूं।
My name is Perpetua Abileli and I'm teaching in St. John of the Cross High School, Sankeli. My main subjects are Konkani and Hindi. And I'm the coordinator for this Diamond Jubilee celebration of our school. And today we have organized inter-school Ghumad Aarti competition, and I'm very happy that our students have done their best and they have continued our Goan tradition and Goan culture from this music and their lively performance.